Hello, we're City Science and we're a PropTech Innovation Challenge winner. Our project is looking at creating a digital uncertainty log for local authorities and other stakeholders to submit records of infrastructure projects and any uncertainty around them. We're specifically looking to address problem statement 3 in the PropTech Innovation Challenge, which concerns providing transparency and certainty around future infrastructure capacity to developers and local planning authorities. Digital uncertainty logs contain details of infrastructure schemes, such as current statuses, delivery timelines, and certainty levels, among other attributes. The process of collecting them is highly manual, fragmented, and inconsistent. Different local planning authorities that produce the logs have their own definitions, systems, and sensitivity concerns. And this leads to a system which relies on months of work to pull together and harmonize datasets from different files across different parts of different organizations. This heavy resource commitment eats into upstream planning such as transport or energy infrastructure, which needs this information to deliver effective future strategies. Here at City Science, we've been engaged with a lot of stakeholders that are impacted by the current system, such as our work with Transport for the West Midlands, where we identified unshareable transport infrastructure as a critical bottleneck to their transport planning. Or with England's economic heartland, where platforming annual infrastructure data has involved months of work and reliance on consultants. A digital and simplified process is really needed, and we're looking to address this in the PropTech Innovation Challenge. In terms of our solution, we're building a digital pipeline to ingest data and provide live, reliable infrastructure data for planners and developers. This involves implementing a standardized data schema for submissions, integrating with our flagship cloud-native GIS product Cadence, and providing the outputs as a geospatial product as well as a dataset that is API accessible. Alongside this, we're looking to provide tutorials, automated input validation, and video guidance to help reduce friction for the local planning authorities' experience. This greater transparency and improved coordination through this data portal should lead to stronger investor confidence, greater certainty for upstream projects, and ultimately remove barriers to supporting new housing developments. In a nutshell, we're looking to build on proven foundations, go beyond spreadsheets, and improve the current process. We're looking to bring a greater use of technology to uncertainty log submissions and make the system easier for local planning authorities, developers, and the wider stakeholder community. If you would like to get involved in our project, we are looking for partners to test the system when we have a working prototype around January and February 2026. This would involve either submitting data or using Cadence to explore the datasets that have been submitted. At this stage, we are only looking at open datasets, so there shouldn't be any concerns about sensitive data, but we're happy to work with people from all industries. That's to ensure that our system can be built out to meet all requirements around infrastructure uncertainty. If you'd like to get involved, you can find more about us on our website, or you can email me at thomas.baird@cityscience.com. Thank you very much for listening to this video, and I hope you get in touch.